All right, I'm inside Goodfellas restaurant, Italian restaurant. It is known for their wood oven pizzas, which I just ordered. I have to get the proper name of this, and I got the arancini rice ball, or not a ball, but rice here. I'm on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Liz C, but this is going to be my food review. Goodfellas, this location is on Bloor Street West and Old Mill Drive. And I have to find and get the name of this pizza. Say that again?
Diavola.
Diavola. Okay, this is a pizza with, it's called Diavola and arancini. Okay. An wood oven pizza. Very hard to find, I think, in Toronto, but anyway. Very tasty. Taste the mushrooms now. Fresh basil. Just the basil. There's a little kick to it. Oh yeah. Crunchy. It's nice to find a really good Italian restaurant. Some of them are really horrible out there. Take your bite. So if you're ever in Toronto, in the Bloor West Village, come a bit further out, just past James Street, and you'll find Goodfellas. Very good. You follow them on Instagram, you'll see all the pictures. That's how I found them. And I'm like, oh, I have to come out here and try it. Ooh. Maybe this is spinach, I'm not sure. But it looks good. Alright, I'm still here at Goodfellas Wood Oven Pizza Restaurant. I am still on a live stream. Now we're on to dessert. I got the other half of the pizza packed in their pizza box. I love their pizza box. so cool. And I rested for a bit so I can have the dessert. And we're gonna have tiramisu. I got some tea to go with my tiramisu. We're gonna give that a try. Tiramisu. Oh yeah. It's yummy. Tiramisu. Some people, are not a fan because of the coffee flavor. But I love it. It's so delicious. Fluffy coffee taste. Yum. So come check out Goodfellas here in Bloor, Street West and Old Mill Drive. Take your bite. So good. Don't miss out. Come give them a try. Yeah, thank you. See you. Bye-bye.